there are complaints about some things which have not been done, but at the same time there is also a doubt whether the challenger is going to be able to do them. That is one. The second is, there is a clear distinction between the way the women are going to vote and the the men folk and the youth are going to vote. For instance, the women are much more
ऐसा
surer.
फील है कि अपना अपना मतदान पर जाकर वोट डालें। अपना अधिकार को नहीं भूलना चाहिए, अधिकार को अपना समझना चाहिए। अब पूरा जनता से, पूरा बिहार से, महिलाओं से, पुरुषों से, नौजवान साथियों से, सबको अपना अपना वोट दोनों बेटा के शुभकामना है।
तेज प्रताप भी चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं।
सब अपना पैर पर खड़ा होकर लड़ रहा है, अपना पैर पर खड़ा होकर लड़ रहा है। दोनों का हमारा माँ है, माँ के शुभकामना है।
माँ का आशीर्वाद है तेज प्रताप को।
दोनों बेटा का आशीर्वाद।
So the entire family is there. Smita, please finish your thought, and then I'll go to Mr. Ahmed, and I need to take a break. Smita.
Okay. Yes. So as I said, I found the women are much more surer about which way they are going to vote. The youth certainly, they are, because they are not that sure. They are in some kind of a doubt about looking for an alternative. But at the end of the day, they are also not very clear about it. And lastly is those people who do not belong to any of these two categories, the other men folk. So I think altogether, net, if I just put it in one or two lines, the women, there is no dent in the NDA's vote among the women voters, despite all those fresh announcements. And I think those fresh announcements were made because the opposition has realized that they could not dent the women vote. The youth is looking for better opportunities for something, what we call what next. The youth acknowledges that a lot of work has been done, but then they also feel that this is not going to be enough if they want to come up at par with other parts of the country. And then there is that segment which is only looking at the caste of the candidate or the alliance. So altogether, I think the NDA will have to make good certain promises which have remained unfulfilled, but they do not seem to be at a losing point, is what I gather.
Mr. Faizan Ahmed, my reporter, young reporter from Patna, made a very substantive point.